So here's the thing about teaching in 2022. It just got hard. We wanted the kids back, and that was the right thing to want, but the truth is they've been changed. They've been changed by a model that is far more transactional and far less relational than we would like. It's left them a little unfit, a little unable to get through a full day of learning in the company of hundreds of other young people the way we would like them to. And it's left us needing a plan more than we have ever needed that plan. Restorative Classrooms, Strong Classrooms is a one-day workshop for educators, and you know what, why not for school leaders too, about what that plan should be. We need a plan for our language, how we're going to speak in our classrooms. We need a plan for our conduct, how we're going to approach conflict, because there's a bit of that happening at the moment. And also for how we're going to approach our pedagogy in such a way that these students can learn in the company of others effectively again. And we're going to need to re-examine some of the things we think to be true about education. Somewhere around this video is a link that's going to allow you to be able to register for that workshop in a capital city near you. And I really hope we can get you there, because if you do, the benefits that you'll get from working restoratively will be exactly the same as those that I've gotten. I'll be more effective, even with students who challenge me. And I'll be less stressed, because there'll be a narrow gap between my practice and my deep beliefs, my purpose for working with young people.